Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the electrical system, disconnect the 12V negative terminal, and wait at least 10 minutes. This clears residual charge in the SRS. Next, remove affected trim panels now. Use soft trim tools to avoid breakage, and photograph each fastener and connector for reassembly. Once removed, label harnesses and fasteners. This saves time later. You do this because precise reinstallation and controlled power down prevent accidental airbag deployment and ensure the SRS system can be calibrated correctly later. Once the airbag module is exposed, unbolt it and remove it carefully. Retain torque specs and hardware locations. You must inspect the dash frame and mounting points for bends, cracks, or burned wiring. Damaged metal or plastic requires replacement to restore structural integrity. Replace the clock spring or harness if the connectors show heat or deformation. Then install the OEM airbag module and new fasteners, tightening to manufacturer torque. This secures deployment geometry and preserves sensor timing for proper system function. You finish by reassembling trim and reconnecting the battery. Then use an OBD SRS scanner to reset and confirm system readiness. Do not just rely on the dash lamp. If the SRS light clears, perform the service manual functional checks and short test drives to verify stability. If a fault remains, recheck harness pins, ground points, and module coding. Miswired connectors or missing module coding are common causes. One key tip: if faults persist after these steps, stop and consult a certified SRS technician for diagnostic and recalibration equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.